Zach packs his boots in a sky full of dreams. Nate salutes the ocean, its endless streams. Will's got his books, a dorm and a key, all heading out, leaving memories with me. Mom's by the door, her tears won't dry. Dad stands tall, but there's a glint in his eye. Wings of home, we let them fly through the clouds, across the tide. Hearts may break, but faith won't fall. We trust in Jesus to bring them home. Zach's chasing stars in the endless blue. Nate's hearing waves sing a sailor's tune. Will's writing papers, his world brand new. But here at the table, it's quiet without you. Mom prays at night, her whispers low. Dad just smiles, says they'll grow, they'll grow. Wings of hope, we let them fly through the clouds, across the tide. Hearts may break, but faith won't fall. We trust in Jesus